Right guys, so in today's video we're taking a look at cases for the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro. The brand in question is a brand I've never heard before. It's Clayco. So they've been kind enough to not only send me out cases of their iPhone 12 and 12 mini phones, but also they've sent me out dummy phones so I can try the cases and show you how they fit. Because unfortunately I don't actually own the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 mini anymore. So let's get started. So the cases they sent me 3 cases for the 12 Pro Max, 3 cases for the 12 and 12 Pro, and 1 case for the 12 mini. So I'm going to open these up and then we'll try them on the phones and see how they fit. I'm not going to bore you with the unboxing part of this, so I'm going to speed this clip up. Right, so now that all the cases have been unpackaged, obviously the 12 Pro Max I won't be able to try on because I don't have a 12 Pro Max, but I'll be able to try on the 12 and the 12 mini because they sent me the dummy phones for that. I'd assume it was a stock issue regarding why they didn't send the 12 Pro Max dummy as well, but it is what it is. So the first case we're looking for the 12 Pro is actually called the Forza case. So what you get inside, installation guide, and you've got a Clayco QR code to watch an installation video, which is pretty cool. And then you've got their social media links for updates, discounts and giveaways. And I believe you get these 3 in every single pack. So this case is the Forza case. So straight off the bat, we've got black silicone all around, minimum Clayco branding on the side, rubberized buttons, got a matte backing for the back, which is quite nice. And then it is a 2-piece, so this bottom corner here that has the little notch bit there, you just unfold that, and then I assume you just go all the way around to try it on so it pops out. So this Forza case actually has a screen protector built into the front, which is pretty cool. So we remove that. Let's try that with the... So as you can see, it's not snug in there, but that's because when this front section is clipped on, that's when it gets snug. So what I would recommend is putting the phone on the front section first and then putting it into the case. Just that way you know that it's going to be aligned. Obviously I'm not watching the installation, so I could be completely wrong regarding how they want you to install it. So don't do as I'm doing. Do as they want you to do it. Okay, just the top left. There we go. So that's how it's going to look on the back. You've got your camera cutout, which is very flush. And then you've got this edge on the camera cutout, which will offer a lot of protection. See-through backing, like I said, it's like a frosted back, so you can still see your iPhone colour. It will just be a lot darker. Cutout to the bottom, so you've got your microphone and speaker cutouts, and then you've got a flap for the charging port. I'm personally not a fan of the flaps on cases. I find they get really annoying, but if you're going to be using the MagSafe charger and the wireless charging on the phone, then the flap won't be used that much, and it will protect you against getting dust in there. And then buttons are responsive. You've got a flap again on this side for the mute switch, mute toggle, and then yeah, pretty good case. Like I said, buttons are responsive. This is something that I would probably use just because it's not that thick, but I know it offers a ton of protection for the device. So that was the Forza case. Let's take that one off and let's speed up to the next one. Next case. So these cases are the same. I'm not going to try both of them on because they are exactly the same case, it's just different colours. So I'll try one on and then I'll show you what the other colour looks like, just so you can see how it will look. So these are called the Argos cases. So this is the purple and this is the black one. Now with the Argos cases, they are a bit thicker, as you can see. I believe once we actually put the phone in, so the phone clips round, you've got a huge amount of protection for the camera on this one, as you can see. And it is a bit of a chunkier case. Buttons are also responsive. You've got a bit of cutout for the side alert, and then your cutouts for the bottom are reasonably big. And then this section at the bottom here, you actually pull it out and you can pop cards in. So if I show you, if you've got a credit card, let's say, you can just pop it in there and then it clips up. I assume the more you open this, it's just a bit stiff to start with. The more you open it, the easier it gets. And then you've got the push button, so you can just push the card out. Pretty convenient. I'm not sure how many cards can fit. If I had to guess, I would say maximum 2 cards. I would not push it more than 2 cards. And that's the same for the Clayco Purple Edition. Let's move on to the next case. You've got the same Forza edition for the mini phone. And then you've got the same 3 cases for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, that section at the bottom is quite hard to open. Whether or not it gives in over time, I'm not sure. But it's quite hard to open. There we go. So that was the Clayco cases by Clayco for the iPhone 12. If you want to purchase any of these, I will link them in the description below. Obviously, then you will see the current pricing. And I may be getting these for the Samsung S21 range of devices, so keep an eye out on that. I'm going to be probably reviewing them on the channel as well. But that was for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified of new content, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.